Our new and improved Safer Grip gloves by OPNBar are ideal multi-purpose gloves for various applications like trucking and delivery, warehouses, maintenance areas, light manufacturing, and carpentry. They are also great for gardening and various outdoor activities that require grip in wet conditions like boating, fishing, hiking, and biking. Safer Grip gloves are CE certified, EN 388 4131 compliant, and have an abrasion resistance of 40,000 cycles. Our gloves are Ercotech Standard 100, are skin-friendly, latex-free, and guarantee a high level of protection, comfort, and durability. Safer Grip gloves are made of 15-gauge nylon polyester engineered yarn. The glove conforms to the operator's hand and offers maximum flexibility and comfort. Our Spandex nylon glove palms are coated in Microfoam Nitrile and are quite flexible, making Safer Grip gloves perfect for working with tools and protecting your hands and products. Our gloves are dipped in an improved Nitrile Microfoam formula in a 3/4 palm dip. Microfoam technology offers great breathability, making them cool and comfortable to wear in any environment. Safer Grip is part of the SCS International brand and product line. For more information, visit our website at safergrip.net.